excitement. D is for dog, who loves to run, jumping and barking, having so much fun. Oh, doggy loves to play, catch the ball. Hooray, hooray, hooray. A huge elephant is using its trunk to splash water and pull leaves from trees. P is for elephant, so big and strong. With his mighty trunk, he moves along. E for elephant, big and strong. His trunk is swinging all day long. Colorful fish swims in the water, splashing and darting around joyfully. F is for fish swimming in the sea. In bright colors, she's happy and free. For fish swimming in the sea, look at her go, she's fast and free.
All the letters and animals up on the screen again. And the host, thanks everyone.
So friends,
Today we learned the letters A to F with our fun animal friends. Shall we sing together?
of Appleby the Bear.